Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to reconnect our PlayStation 5 DualSense controller with our console, in case it got out of sync. Sometimes it is possible that you get home, try to turn on the console directly from the DualSense controller, and when you press the PlayStation button that should turn on the console, it does not turn it on and stays either flashing blue or with a fixed blue light, but does absolutely nothing. The console does not react and the controller does not turn on anything. This can happen for several reasons, although the two most common are first that you have connected the DualSense to another game console that is not yours, so the controller will be linked to the other console and yours will not turn it on. And secondly, which we have also seen here on the channel, you have connected the DualSense controller to a cell phone to play a game on your smartphone, and in this case when you make the disconnection with the phone, the controller no longer turns on the console even if you press the PlayStation button. In these cases, as you can see, even if we come and turn on the PlayStation manually, that is, the controller does not work, but we turn on the console manually from the button, it will not work in any way. Now you will see it because, as you can see, the PlayStation starts, but once the menu appears where it says press the PlayStation button on the controller, no matter how much we press the button, it does not work. But well, do not panic or worry, because this has a really simple solution, because the only thing we will need is a USB-C cable, either the one that comes with the same DualSense or one that you have at home. As long as you have a USB tip and the other end USB-C, no problem. The next thing we have to do is to go to the console, connect the USB tip in the front port, connect the other end in the DualSense, and once we have the controller connected by cable, simply now we press the PlayStation button, and as you can see, without any problem the console enters the main menu with the controller working. And once we have done this and without any problem, we can unplug the cable and return to use the DualSense without any problem wirelessly. Well guys, so here comes the video. As always, I hope to have helped you. If so, do not forget to leave me a good like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and give the little bell to not miss anything. For my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.